weeks ago, I suggested strengthening the Council's linkages, or the industry's linkages with the academic community, provide scholarships for poor and deserving students, provide support for capacity building of our teachers, so that the English proficiency levels would be increased or would be addressed. I'm familiar, or I'm told, some other industries have a similar target or a similar programs, wherein they tie up with a particular school on a particular field, provide scholarships for poor and deserving students, thereby addressing the demand, or the demand for workers, or the supply of workers. This is a challenge for your association. We need to bridge our understanding of the jobs-skill mismatch. Any human resource practitioner will tell you, or will tell us, that jobs are there, but employers are having a difficult time finding the right kind of people for the job because they are not equipped to perform what is required of them. Hence the need to strengthen, I believe, linkages and partnerships with private universities, state universities and colleges, as well as private academic institutions. To solve this dilemma, we will have to work together and can accomplish our goals better and faster if there are interventions such as this. The Philippine government is aggressively promoting English language proficiency. The quality of education is largely dependent too on, as I said earlier, the capacity of our teachers. Once again, your industry can help by providing programs to build capacity of our teachers. For this reason, we must focus on our mentors in improving the English language proficiency in our country. We must look at seriously studying the matter, for example, of requiring public and private school teachers to undergo periodic proficiency assessments.